Hello friends, so today I'll tell you how to make a magic spell. For this you'll need these paper sticks and a big roll of duct tape and lead diyas. So let's start. For this you'll need to make 2 triangles. Our 2 triangles are ready, so we will make a star of it. First we will put the one triangle upside down and one triangle straight like this. Now we will stick the lead diyas on it. Then we'll put some tape down here and then stick it like this. So I'll do the rest others. So see, it will look like this now. Let me show you the light diyas. So see, my magic spell is ready and I'll show you how it will look when we turn off the lights. Isn't it looking great? Thank you.